Unbolt the steel shipping frame. Carefully remove the bubble wrap packing materials. Take out spare parts. Remove shipping frame from installation area. Take out manual from accessory box. Check accessories according to the list. Measuring distance and confirm installation location. Make sure there is at least 3.5 meters away from bay. Move columns to a designated area. Carefully stand up each column. According to the ground condition in manual, check installation dimension. Drag out steel cable and run through carriage. Pre-install the cable and tighten the nut. Adjust the cable in the pulley groove. Raise carriage to make sure safeties rest at first gear rack. Install long hydraulic hose. Tighten connection. Cover the floor plate. Insert screws. Reconfirm the installation position according to dimensions in floor plan. Tighten floor plate screws. Strain steel cables and confirm. Install the gear rack. First, twist the gear block until there is 2 cm from thread end. Disassemble cotter pin and spring. Put gear rack in the designated place. Assemble spring and insert cotter pin. Confirm the columns are standing vertically and parallel to each other. If two columns are tested not at same level, hammer the side until parallel. Drill holes with rotary driller. Insert anchoring bolts. Tap anchoring bolts in the floor to make bolts expanded inside floor. Tighten nuts. Installing arms. Insert spindle. Adjust the safety gear rack assemblies. Match the safety gears to the arm gears well, then tighten the screws. Install the lifting pad assemblies. First, put height adapter under the cradle, then put cradle with lifting pad included on the arms. Open the power unit packaging. Install the power unit. Tighten the screws for fixing power unit to bracket. Connect the short hydraulic hose from power unit to cylinder port. First, pre-install hydraulic connections with hand, and later tighten it with a wrench. Fill the reservoir with 8 to 10 liter AW46 or AW32 anti-wear hydraulic oil. Hook up power cord in power unit according to circuit diagram. First, debugging will be performed without any loading. Press and hold up button to raise the lift to top height. Depress lowering handle until lift is lowered to bottom height. Here, we will debug lift with loading. Drive a car on the lifting area. Make lifting pads contact designated lifting points underneath car chassis. Press and hold up button until lift is raised to 30 centimeters from ground. Check the lifting pads to contact the designated points under car chassis. Hold down both front and rear sides to make sure the car is stable. Press and hold up button to raise the lift to top height. Depress lowering handle to make safeties rest at gear rack. Press up button a little to make safeties cleared. Pull out safety cable to release safeties from gear rack. Depress lowering handle until lift is lowered to bottom height. Move swing arms away from vehicle chassis. Drive car away from lifting area. Now, all include installation and debugging are completed. Lubricate the column inside. Clean lifts. Clear the floor. Installation and debugging are completely finished.